Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering both devices and confirming connections. Make sure the Apple TV is on HDMI input and the TV is set to that input. Once powered, pick up the Siri Remote and confirm it has charge. Plug in for a minute if uncertain. A charged remote pairs reliably. If the Apple TV shows the pairing prompt, press and hold the menu and volume up buttons as instructed. This first step gets the remote talking to the box so you can proceed. Once paired, learn the touch surface. Swipe left/right to move, swipe up/down to browse lists, and press down to select. This feels different from clickers, so practice. Next, use the menu button to go back and home to return to the app grid. This navigation model saves time versus hunting through nested menus. Make sure Siri is enabled in settings so you can hold the Siri button to speak commands. Also customize Control Center to access audio and display quickly. Test by launching an app and playing content. To finish, master Playback. Tap the touch surface to play or pause and swipe to scrub through video. Use short swipes for fine control, longer swipes to jump further. For audio or subtitles, bring up the Control Center and adjust quickly. If you need a title fast, hold Siri and speak it. If controls lag or the remote disconnects, restart it by holding menu and volume down, then repair in settings. This resolves most issues. That troubleshooting step saves time when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.